Ooh, baby, you timeless. You went viral. I can come up with 100 different things about you when I'm rhyming. It's like watching fireworks when we stargaze. Can't you hear how the silence flies out of the sirens? How inspiring, cause I'm with you, girl. I asked her 21, like 50. She answered all of them, passed the test, flying colors. It gets hotter in these times, we got Christmas. All you really need on your head is a ribbon. I don't need a whole lot, just a little. How that saying go, I don't know, we got limits. Baby girl, I'm all ears like Nicki. You ain't gotta wait all day, just a minute. I paint a picture when I rap, that's a spitting image. But you the twin, and make all the difference. And if X marks the spot, that explains why over your bed there's a crucifix. You make me feel holy like that Beaver song. It's hit or miss, with these conversations I try and reel you in. But seems like I need a bigger fishing rod. You pull me into the river with these deep conversations. You see my mental dialogue, do like rocks.